Hello, everybody. My name is Juan Rodarte, and I'll be talking to you about the 5 stages of team development. During team development, there are 5 stages. The first stage is known as the forming stage. During this stage, team members come together for the very first time, and they're trying to figure out just really, what the appropriate behaviors are, values of the team are, and as well, the members are really paying attention to all the conversation going on, and how the tasks are being defined and the boundary development. Also, team members begin to establish tasks and determine how they might meet objectives. And during this stage, members must gain an understanding about the reason or purpose of joining the team and finding a social niche within the group. Taking us to the next phase is storming. This storming phase is all about conflict. It's characterized by high levels of emotion because members are trying to find their group identity and exert their individuality. At this stage, members are claiming their social power within the group, and a hierarchy is established as people question authority, react to what is supposed to be accomplished, and jockey for power within the group. Intermember criticism, scapegoating, and judgments may accompany this struggle for control. Then we move on to norming. Within the third stage, the development of cohesion and structure occurs when the group's standards, key values, and roles are accepted. The gradual development of cohesion occurs after the conflict in stage two. In this third stage, the rules for behavior are explicitly and implicitly defined. There is a greater degree of order and a strong sense of group membership. Then we move on to the fourth stage, which is performing. We find that members have found their roles within the group and that their energy is focused on the task at hand. The group works through the problems confronting it, and when the task is almost near completion, the group moves to the final stage. That final stage being adjourning. Adjourning is a final stage of team development, which represents the dissolution or termination of the group membership. Now, how does this affect time management? Well, during the first phase, it's affected in the sense that the team is not getting anything done because this is where the expectations are created and set, and team members are trying to figure out who really is in charge. Which takes us to the next stage, storming. During this stage, conflict over who will control the team and how decisions will be made until resolved will severely impact the project schedule. Then we move on to norming. During this stage, the group structure solidifies and the team establishes expectations of how they are to work together, and progress is made towards time management. Then we move on to performing. During this stage, the team is really making strides towards project goals and maximizing time management. Then we move on to adjourning. Here, the team is no longer concerned with high performance. Instead, the team's focus shifts to wrapping up the project, and some members of the team might feel depressed. And why? Because they formed friendships over the course of over the course of the project, and it's all coming to an end. And so, some people get sad. All right. Well, here are my references. I hope you like my short video. Thank you. Goodbye.